For many students, campus tours have a significant influence on their decision to commit to a university. And as one of the most prestigious universities in the nation, Emory attracts numerous visitors every year through its Student Ambassador program. Considering that Emory wants to market its campus and programs well to attract the best and brightest students, it is crucial for the university to provide students with an exciting and personalized experience. In order to achieve this, the right number of tour guides must be assigned for the given number of visitors per tour. Currently, Emory's Office of Admission is not providing the most efficient method to achieve that. In order to predict how many tour guides are needed, we need to forecast expected demand based on historical data. Based on the number of visitors that attended each tour date in the past, we built a forecast model using triple exponential trend smoothing. This is the column of our interest. These cell values are currently linked to the network LP sheet, which I will show much later. Now moving on to tour guide availability, it is located in a Google Sheets. For our specific model, we have 2 tour date times for a given day. Every tour guide is assigned a number, and based on what days of the week they are available, they will fill out their section with ones or zeros, with 1 indicating available and 0 indicating not available. They must make sure they only select from dates that are available within that month. Here I will demonstrate. Once the availability sheet is completed, these availability values will be directly linked to the availability sheet of the Excel file, and the values in the Excel file are linked to the network LP sheet of Excel, which I will show now. The left side columns on this sheet are the tour guide dates, which have been translated into weekday numbers. Like I said before, the forecasted values are directly linked to these columns. And because we want no more than 10 visitors per tour, we divided the forecasted values by 10 and set that column to less than or equal to number of guides assigned. The total number of tours completed by those guides must be greater than equal to 15 times 3, since there are 15 guides who must each complete 3 tours. If you look to the far right of the worksheet, you will see a blue input box with values referencing the availability sheet. While this is where they indicated their availability during specific time, the tour guide availability constraint indicates individuals' availability for the day. Here, Thomas indicated that he is available in the morning but not in the afternoon on Mondays. The constraint cells for him on Sundays will appear as 1, indicating that he is available on this day. After inputting each month's decision variables, constraints, and objective cell, which is to minimize the sum of the difference between the assigned number and the forecasted number, the solver will run and find the optimal assignment match. To make it easier for Emory's admission office to use this model, we have automated the process for each month using macros and VBA coding that is assigned to these buttons. This result sheet will provide the assigned dates for each guide based on the result from OpenSolver. Here the green boxes indicate the assigned dates. Because Thomas indicated that he is available in the morning on Sundays, he is assigned to the January 5th morning tour. And depending on his inputs on availability, he is assigned on the 18th and the 27th as well. Additionally, this process is automated so that Thomas can just search his name through the View Tour Dates button, which will return his assigned dates to him. Our model is designed to maximize efficiency when it comes to scheduling and assigning tour guides by minimizing the difference between the forecasted required number of tour guides and actual number of tour guides assigned to a specific date, all in a user-friendly way. With this model, the staff will be able to calculate the forecast model and make sure that they don't over or under assign tour guides. By doing so, Emory is offering a better, more personalized experience for visitors, which will hopefully increase visitors' appeal towards the university.